Do you like being fully in control of your cell phone business? And have you ever felt like you're clueless about the profit or loss that you're taking throughout the month? If the answer is yes, you're not alone. iWireless services dealers all across the globe with our sophisticated points of sale and business management system. The days of not being in control become a part of the past when you sign up for our free trial. With award-winning features such as customer retention tools, our services are state-of-the-art. You can use your dashboard to know what upcoming events the customer has, such as second and third monthly payments. Watch your customer service increase tenfold and profits go alongside it. We don't stop here. We have every tool that is expected to manage inventory, staff, and carrier compensation. We make it easy to join by demanding no special hardware or plugins. Simply access the platform on any browser on your PC or mobile device. Start using a sophisticated and easy-to-use system that plugs into your payment and activation portals today. Are you ready to get in on the new way of doing business? iWireless, bringing you the tools and intelligence to take your business to the next level.